Hi guys, this is Jazz, and Felice and I are working together and under one entity, Paris Investing LLC. So wanted to talk about a stock that I'm looking at right now, PBY. Okay, two things in here that I want to talk about. First of all, obviously, look at the trend in the weekly, right? Broke out of this level right here, about 10.15, shot up, passed through the resistance, coming right into the resistance to the left of it, as you could see. But at the same time, see how it's basing in here, right? It's not going to the downside, it's trying to base around here. Could be for a possible breakout, or could be just basically basing in here, and even could go down, right? So we don't know what's going to happen, right? So second thing I wanted to add was this. Click on a trend line, okay, tool, draw a trend line, because this is where you want to be alerted, right? You want to be alerted as soon as this trend line is broken and price could possibly shoot up, come to test this area, and possibly to test 1379 area, right? So right click on it. This is TOS, ThinkorSwim. Then you go into create alert withdrawing. Okay, let me put this right in here. That's all you need to do. Intraday price crosses below, crosses above, whatever you need to do, right? Crosses above, more likely that's what we want. Create. So you have a trend line alert. As soon as the price comes here, crosses above this trend line, you are going to get an alert, either via email, you text, or SMS, whatever it is that you can set up on your any trading platform. You can do that, right? You can do it in a TradeStation, you can do that in ThinkorSwim. I'm sure all the other ones does that too. So instead of looking at the stock every single day, right, just put a trend line alert and let it alert you. And it doesn't mean that you are ready to take a trade. All it's telling you that, okay, we're trying to break out of this, right? But I would like to have the breakout of right around here, okay? Maybe a little bit high, about a 1250, 1260 area. Possibly once it breaks, that could be somewhat of your trigger for the long entry. Again, you have to go into the daily chart, look at where exactly you can put the stops. But I'm showing you something that has been trending. And all the auto parts, if you look at their stocks, they are a little bit holding up over a lot of other stocks. So keep an eye on that. I have no reason why. You could probably do the sector rotation analysis and see which sectors are up, and then you can go into, you know, auto parts or automobile or whatever it is that you need to look to have a more confidence into this. Also, this is above 20, 50, and 200 SMA. That's definitely a biggie, right? You want to look at a stock that is in an uptrend. So keep an eye on this. And again, you know, take your time to, you know, go to Paris Investing LLC, like the page, talk about it, share it, whatever you need to do. Webinar is coming up pretty soon on the October 7th around 3 o'clock Eastern time. So if you need to register, register for it. But this is what we're going to be talking about your stocks, and I'll go in over a little bit of the how to manage the risk reward kind of ratio with a very, very simple tool. All right guys, take care, and I'll talk to you guys later.